Okay, we have a tablet S7 FE. We have to change a broken screen. Let's see. I never done it before, but from the look of the new screen, it looks easy. So we have to remove the old one, and we have two connector, one here and one here. And then we have to glue it. That's it. Let's start. So first you need to heat this one. I'm gonna start from this side. You can find this one at Home Depot for like 45 bucks. The one that heat. Okay, after we heat little bit, we're gonna try to put a small tool and a screen. So a trick is to use alcohol. So you put the alcohol on a razor and you go down, because alcohol will dissolve the, what's the name, the glue. So put little bit of alcohol, let it drink it, absorb it, and then heat more. I mean, you can remove it, but me, I want to keep the screen. Just the old screen didn't work, the new screen didn't work, I can put back the old screen. Put more of this. Okay, rinse and repeat. You have to heat, try to put some alcohol. You can use playing card too. So now let's go from this way. And like I told you, keep a playing card or something so it doesn't glue again. So far so good. Let's put one more playing card here. Okay, we're doing really good. We just need to keep going. Uh-oh. We got close while it's being broken. So now I'm just gonna try to put this here and be away from this area. Let's go to this area. This area where it's not broken. So let's turn it this way. Or no, this way. There we go. Let's heat. Alright. More dissolvent. This is 70% isopropyl. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 of them now. Try to go under it. So here we go. Now, so okay. Okay, as you can see, we can still removing. So this area is good. You can heat it or just put a card and slice it. We slice it. We slice it. Just make sure there's no wires. We don't want to break any wires. We have to heat here. Alright, as you can see, we have a wire here we need to remove and wire down there. Can you see it? We're done with this one. The screen is still working, at least we know now. Let's turn it off before we keep going. Now it's gonna update. Give it a second, sorry for that. We'll wait. Okay. She gave me the code and okay. Gonna turn it off. Okay. It's off. Now we're gonna go back to work. First, we're gonna disconnect this connector. What we're gonna do, I think the best way to do it is remove a tape on top. Let's use a tweezer. Try to remove the tape. Very successful. We remove that tape. Now okay. Alright, let's try some other way. I'm gonna try to cut from here. I didn't wanna break the cable on top, so I'm gonna try to remove the whole screen, see if we can remove the one from the connector. So alright, here we go. So I think the best way to do it is like this. Okay, so after we remove it, now it's easy. Okay, you see, now you remove the screen like this. Now you remove it. Okay, so the new screen, it has this one, so we have to remove this cable and this board. Okay, let's try. So okay, so this one we remove it. Another one here. Done. Give me a second. Okay, back to business. Now we're trying to remove this board because this board is not on the screen, so just heat and it's done. Okay, now since we have everything, so you see, and you have the drawing on the new screen to show you where to put this board. Looks like we need to get some double tape. I need a scissor or need. Okay, we're gonna put just a double tape here, like this. I remove the double tape. Okay, after remove the double tape, first we'll make sure this is fit. This is a little hard. Okay, so what we do, try to fit this one inside first. Okay, it's in now. So after it's in, close it. Okay, now double tape it. Now it's good. Next, we need to put this cable. Okay, it say here LCD, so this one must be in LCD and this one must be here, if you get confused. Okay, it's in. Good. And the one in the LCD, it's also in. Now we do it. Now we need to test it. So I don't know why is this here. So now let's get the LCD, which is supposed to be like this. Okay. So the LCD should go like this. All right, is in. Push it back, done. So now you turn it like this and we try it out. You need to turn it on. Make sure it's gonna work. I don't know if it was off or on. Okay, here we go. It's on. It took a while. It looks nice and clean. Clean here. Okay, the touch seemed to be working perfect, so let's turn it back off. After we make sure the screen is working, now we have to remove it, clean it, put double tape since this screen is not coming with a double tape. So after we turn off, make sure it's off. We're gonna remove the LCD. Okay, and we're gonna clean this corner and the glass here. All right, you can heat it. Okay. Okay, after I heat it a little bit, I'm gonna try to remove the broken part. Hello, my friend. Okay, after cleaning it, I'm gonna find some double tape, put around. Okay, we're gonna cut some double tape. Can you see here? Like this. Okay. Like this. Like this. Okay. So here we go. That's a nice tape. And then let's see if we need more cleaning here. Okay. You know, it need more patience than skills. Just have to be patient. Do your work slowly. You can put super glue, but me I prefer double tape because maybe the customer come after a week say, hey, the screen is not working properly and we have to return it to the supplier. With super glue you will break it. With double tape you just heat and get it out. We need a couple small one here. One here. and one here. Okay, now we can start removing the double tape.
Coming up this week on Full Measure, a special program that examines post-COVID controversies and worries. New concerning government estimates say that nearly 1 in 4 American adults who've had COVID are suffering a diverse range of illnesses due to the spike protein in the virus and made by the vaccine. We'll speak with
Now it's good.
treating thousands of patients to find the latest about what they're learning and what you should know. We're also looking into disturbing reports of mysterious blood clots that are appearing in cadavers around the world. Are they true? We examine the evidence and tell you what we learned. And we'll speak with one of the world's most published critical care physicians who left his establishment medicine job at a hospital ER. He said that was because he was banned from giving COVID patients treatments he'd used with success. Wait until you hear what he's doing now. All this week on Full Measure. You can watch this episode of Full Measure this Sunday at 11:30, right after Couple News at 11. More troubles for airlines. 3 people injured during an evacuation of an airplane at the San Francisco International Airport. Crew members say that they saw smoke in the cabin as the plane was taxiing to its gate. One of the passengers had to go to the hospital. The remaining passengers were taken to the terminal. Authorities are still investigating the cause of the fire, but say may have been due to a lithium battery.
And last one, but not least,
Like a laptop into a tub of
we have a
water.
couple stuff to do.
Is the correct way to extinguish a lithium-ion battery fire.
Okay. So now after we inspected one final time, I would like to secure this. I just put like small tape on it. Give me 1 second.
Was facing a mandatory 12-year prison sentence. Instead, she received a 23-week suspended sentence along with a $1,500 fine. She says she's looking forward to spending time with her family and grandkids. Well, they're calling it Corgis for a Cause. Seattle-based Amazon has partnered with the Alzheimer's Association to sponsor the Corgi races this weekend happening at Emerald Downs. A few joined Holland Lino on RCL this morning.
Okay. So here we go. After I put couple tapes here, I'm gonna put this back. Alright, that looks good. So now we just have to put it in line. Line here, here. Beautiful. Here, 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 here. That's it. We are done. Not a bit on, make sure it works now. Boom. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. This was a 7FE tablet.